morning, dear students. Yesterday we have started with chapter 16, that is light, and we have discussed some of the topics from the light, like reflection of light, laws of reflection, what is incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and so on. So today we shall discuss some of the questions given in your booklet from chapter light. So open page number 1 of your booklets. Page number 1 of your booklets. Okay. Put the date. First question is, light makes us see things. There are some introductory questions. You have to find answer to them. Question number 1 is, lion jumped into the lake to fight with another lion. Do you think it is his correct action? Justify with the answer. As you have studied this story in your childhood also, there was a lion who saw its reflected copy image in the well, and he immediately jumped into the well to kill that lion. So was it his correct decision? What would be the answer? The answer to this question would be no. The answer to this question would be no. Why no? Because the lion just saw its reflected copy in the lake water. The lion just saw its reflected copy, that is its own image in the lake. There was no another such type of lion inside the lake. Getting? Here water of the lake in this question. Water of the lake is acting as a reflecting surface, like we stand in front of mirror and we see our duplicate copy, that is image. In case of well or water or pond or lake or any other water body, this water acts as a reflecting surface and it forms the reflected copy or the image. That is why we consider that this was the incorrect decision of lion, because there was no other lion found in the well. It was just its own reflected copy or image. Okay. Second question B. We can see exactly our copy in front of mirror before coming to school. Why? As I discussed yesterday also, that before coming to school, usually we are in habit to stand in front of mirror and see ourselves that whether we are fit and fine or not. So why do we stand in front of mirror? Because the plane mirror is a reflecting surface. It reflects the lights and forms the reflected copy, which is called image. One more question to this, that the plane mirror forms the reflected copy or image of our body by reflecting the light. Another question which could come from this type of question is that what type of reflection takes place by plane mirror? So plane mirror is a smooth and polished surface. It has no irregularities. So it undergoes regular reflection, which results in the image formation. Okay. So the question is, we can see exactly our copy in front of mirror before coming to school. Why? The answer to this question would be because plane mirror is a reflecting surface. It reflects the light. Under bracket you can write regular reflection and forms the reflected copy or image. Okay. Question number C. Moon is a non-luminous object. Still, it makes the things visible at night. Why? You have studied in your previous classes that objects are of two types: luminous objects and non-luminous objects. You have studied in your junior classes that objects are of two types: luminous objects and non-luminous objects. What are luminous objects? Luminous objects are those objects which can produce their own light. Luminous objects are those objects which can emit, generate or produce their own light, like sun, candle, bulb, firefly, which in Hindi is considered to be jhingur kind of insect. These are luminous bodies because they can produce their own light, whereas those bodies, those objects which cannot produce their own light, like books, tables, windows, doors, etc., these are non-luminous bodies. But still, if I am standing in this room, there are two tubes. So these two tubes are emitting, generating, producing their own light. So these are luminous. But these desks, benches, doors, windows, fans, board, these all are non-luminous bodies because they are not emitting, not producing their own light. But the question is, ki ma'am, yet they are not producing their own light but are visible to us. Why is it so? Because non-luminous bodies reflects the light of luminous objects. These books, tables, benches, desks, these all reflects the light of tube, scatters, spreads the light and makes the things visible. But यहाँ पे कौन सा reflection होता है? यहाँ पे होता है diffused reflection, irregular reflection, which you have studied in class 7, which scatters the light rays and makes the things visible. So now coming back to the question, see, moon is a non-luminous object, still it makes the things visible at night. So the answer would be moon is a non-luminous object, but it itself is visible and makes the other thing visible at night because it reflects the light of the sun. It reflects the light of the sun. Okay? Clear? Question number D. Question number D. Why are we able to see the tap water in the glass even though it is colorless? Question is, why we are able to see the tap water in the glass even though it is colorless? You know that tap water is colorless as discussed in question number 1. Look at question number 1. Here, water is acting as a reflecting surface. Water is acting as a reflecting surface. In the same way, जो ग्लास में टैप वाटर फिल्ड होता है, वो टैप वाटर भी रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस की तरह एक्ट करता है एंड इट बिकम्स विजिबल. इट बिकम्स visible. So tap water, the answer to this question would be, although tap water is colorless, but it reflects the light and therefore we are able to see it. Clear? Means these all questions are based on the reflection of light. These all questions are based on the phenomena reflection of light, that how reflection of light helps us in various different ways. E. A safety vest helps keep the workers who are working by the roadside safe. This is especially seen during the night. Why? Why? Safety vest means, the vest means the inner garment. The vest is inner garment, and the safety vest is a special type of vest which has reflectors in it. Which has reflectors in it. जो कि लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट कर देते हैं और सामने आने वाले लोगों को अलर्ट कर देते हैं that another people are standing on the roadside or another people are in the queue. Question is, why is safety vest used by the people at night who are walking by the roadside? So safety vest has a unique property that it contains reflectors in it. It has reflectors in it जो कि light को reflect करके, which reflects the light, scatters the light, spreads the light and aware the people that another person is standing by the roadside. Okay? Again, safety vest also works on the principle of reflection of light. Next, a book lying table in a room can be seen from all the parts of the room. If there is a book kept in the room on any of the table, you must have observed it in your class. You can even observe it right now wherever you are sitting. You can observe it there and there only. A book or any object, if kept in one part of the room, it can be visualized, observed from every corner. Why it can be observed from every corner, every point of the room? Because it reflects the light. Mainly it undergoes diffused or irregular reflection, जिसमें light rays scatter हो जाती हैं, in which the light rays are spread everywhere and the books or other objects become visible from every corner of the room. ठीक है? So these questions were related to reflection of light. Now please kids turn the pages. Turn the pages. Page number 2, question number 2. Light gets bounced back when it strikes the surface of mirror, which helps us to see the image as seen in the figure. Label, question A, label the incident ray, reflected ray and draw the normal. So this, what would be the incident ray? The falling ray of light is considered to be incident ray. So this would be incident ray. The ray which is bouncing back, that is called reflected ray. And reflected ray enters in our eyes and makes the things visible. Now you have to draw the normal. As I discussed yesterday also, what is normal? Suppose this is a plane mirror. Okay, this falling ray of light would be incident ray. This falling ray of light would be incident ray. The ray which is bouncing back after striking the mirror, this would be reflected ray. This would be reflected ray. Now what is normal? As I discussed yesterday also, कि normal क्या होता है? Normal is an imaginary perpendicular which is drawn between incident ray and reflected ray. So in this diagram you will have to draw the normal. Where will be normal drawn? Normal will be drawn between the incident ray and reflected rays. ठीक है? Next, what is labeled the angle of incidence? Angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. Angle between reflected ray and normal is angle of reflection. Clear? Now, what is the relationship between incident ray and reflected ray? Is there any relation which remains constant? Yes. Yesterday I have taught you two laws of reflection. That incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, all three exist in the same plane. And angle of incidence is always equals to angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. So the thing is, what is the relationship between incident ray and reflected ray? All three rays, you can take all three or you can take according to question that both incident ray and reflected ray lie in the same, exist in the same plane. Is there any relation which remains constant in any condition? Yes. Angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Okay. Now, your homework is to do question number 2 and 3, and for questions of page number 1, as we discussed here in the class, I will also be sharing the PDF with you. But question number 2 and question number 3 would be your homework. So kindly complete question number very carefully. ठीक है? All the questions are based on the topics which I have taught to you. Okay, thank you kids.